These ghost lights, they're hot. I like them. I call it feeding the beast. Let's feed the beast. Look what came in the mail today. No Hellcat is complete without those claw scars somewhere. So let's see what we can do to add a little bit of character to Crush. Alright, so let's open this up and see what's in here. I picked this up from Amazon. It was very inexpensive. You have the claw, which folds out, and it has a line there that we're going to cut. One part will go on one side of the body around the headlight, and the other will go below it. Inside here also is a couple alcohol pads to clean it with. But this car is clean. It just got another ceramic coating, so it should be nice and clean. Basically, all I'm going to need on top of that is just these pair of scissors, maybe a water bottle to help position it correctly. Okay, we'll find out what's next. So here is a picture of the instructions. You can pause it right here so you can read them. Now, one of the first things we need to do is to prepare the decal for the application onto the car by firmly rubbing the edges with a credit card. We need to make sure that it's adhered to this part here. So we're going to flip it over because we're going to remove this side. So we're going to flip it over and run a credit card on it. So make sure it is adhered to the side that we're going to actually apply the decal to. We're trying to remove any air pockets that would cause it to fill up. And when we pull this off, if any of the vinyl decal sticks to the paper, we're going to put it back down and rub it some more so it sticks to what is known as the transfer tape. Okay, now we need to cut this thing. Now, one of the things I did was to cut this in half along the seam that was provided from the manufacturer. Try not to cut the detail. I got a little close there, but I did not cut the decal. So let's get ready to apply this. One of the hardest things is not the actual application, but first of all, determining where you want to put the decal. Now, I've looked all over this car to see where I would like to put this. These are usually used on headlights, passenger side or driver's side. Driver's side mostly, but I'm going to put mine on the passenger side just so I can be a little different. But you can put it anywhere in your car you want. Just make it unique for yourself and your vehicle. You also have, if you look, you have two different styles. One side has curve and the other is straight. So you can make a decision on which part is going to go above your headlight if you use the headlights, and which one is going to go below. Okay, I'm thinking I like it right here. Yep, I think that'll do it. I'm going to remove the backing paper from the transfer tape. Keep the decals on. Make sure the decal stays with the transfer tape. So you gently separate them. We have this. Again, I'm going to separate the decal from the transfer tape, and if it starts to come off, you can put your thumb on there and reattach it back to transfer tape. Make sure that you get it pulled apart there. You can see in some cases it's wanting to stick to it, so we'll pull it back and work it from a different direction. Just keep working it from a different direction until you get it completely separated. Being very careful. Okay, so let's put this on, the upper one on first. And I don't have a big lip down under here, so I'm only going to let so much hang down below it. I have my card. I'm going to use it. Some of the air bubbles out. Clean it off. Make sure my decal is sticking. Okay. I'm going to cut this piece out here in a little bit. Alright, I got my scissors, and to me, this is the most disconcerting part. It's cutting this where the hood meets the body and making it look right. There's the rubber seal in there, and you're only going to cut so far. And you want it to look good. Started, and I have to finish it. Okay, so let's take the first part off the hood. Bass Pro. So let's see how this works. Now you can't see it on the black hood, it would be like ghost stripes. That is really good. And this is the most disconcerting part for me, is making this seam look right. Now, some bubbles in there. I'm trying to get out. Okay, now I want you to notice on this one, I did not wait any time at all before I actually pulled the tape off. But on the next one, we're going to wait the prescribed half an hour. Now, this is going to be the actual tricky part, and that is lining these up. hold straight as you can. I'm not as concerned about these little bubbles right in here, as long as they're not on the decal. I see one on the decal. Look out. Because the transfer paper is going to come in. If you got curves, you have curves in these cars, fingers, so you need to. You know we're going to have some sort of bubbles inside there. And that's okay. We'll work them out. In some cases, using our hands is a little bit more effective than using the card. Okay, our half an hour's up. Let's pull this transfer case off. Tuck it if I can underneath. And there we go. How cool is that?